Hello everyone, let me introduce you how to operate with our machine. Press brake model number DA53T. As you can see, we have a workpiece over here, a very simple workpiece with total numbers of bends, 2 bends, and let me show you how to make it here. First we can start with the manual mode. So we start the air bend method and we choose the bending length is 200 for this workpiece, and the angle is first 90 degree, and then we choose the thickness of our material 1 millimeter, and our material is steel. So, and then we can choose the x-axis distance, it's the back gauge distance 40, and tool setup, we can select punch tool and select die tool. After this we are ready to start. First of all, start the oil pump motor. Now it's ready to use, so I can bring it closer to me to make it more comfortable to work, and I place my workpiece closer to the back gauge. And first bend is done 90 degree, so the next one will be 120, and the distance of the back gauge is 60. Start the oil pump motor. We place it over here and just press on the pedal, and here we have a nice workpiece. So now I can show you how to make this one in the auto mode, so you can save this workpiece and work with it in the future. We can start with program and product ID. Let's say it's random numbers, and the name of the program is steel 1, and thickness is 1 millimeter, and material is steel. So after that we select our punch die and select this one. We go to program, and here is the same with the previous one, 200 millimeters, and first angle, as we remember, is 90, and x-axis comes to 40 in the beginning. So after that we can add another bend, the second step of it. So we choose degree, and angle is 120, and x-axis comes to the 60. So after this we go to auto mode. Make sure you go back to the first step, and in the auto mode it's ready to use. We open up our oil pumps. We place our workpiece very close and tight, and just press on the foot switch, and the first bend is done, and now is the second bend. So we place it over there, and here we have it. Nice samples, and you can save it and make it all the time. Alright guys, thanks for your time. Goodbye.